Very good morning, my students. In our last class, we have discussed about the operating systems and MS Word. We already finished. Now we are going to discuss one interesting lesson for you. This is the MS Paint. You know MS Paint? Yes, I already know that. All the one done the painting in the MS Paint last year. Now we are get the more information about MS Paint. Okay, what we can use for MS Paint? What is the purpose of MS Paint? You know that if we want to draw anything means we are using paint applications. Okay, paint is MS Paint is one of the application to draw the anything, any picture, any objects. Okay, you can easily draw the objects. Okay, we are using more than tools also in MS Paint. They are having more tools for drawing the objects or things, any others. Okay, now we are going to the lesson. Okay, more on MS Paint. Okay, in this lesson we are going to discuss the some of the tools. Okay, in the MS Paint screen left side we are having some of the tools. You know, are you just you imagine that how is the MS Paint is there. Okay, I will show the MS Paint page. Okay, just you imagine it now. Okay, okay, in the left side top of the corner we are having some of the tools, MS Paint tools. Okay, now we are going to lesson. Okay, first one we are going to discuss the select tool. What's it? Select tool. What are the selection tools available in the MS Paints? Okay, these tools you used to part of drawing or pictures. To use this tool, if you want to select some of the parts in the drawing picture means we are using selection tool, select tool. Okay, how can we select the tool means click the file tab. Okay, file tab is top of there is in this picture, that one you click that, click on the select button in the image group, select button in the image group like that. In the image shows means the first one option, second one they are also mentioned, number 1, number 2. Okay, first you click the file button, second you click the select. Okay, a drop down menu will open up. There are the 3 types of selections. If you are click the second one means we are getting the 3 type of the selection buttons. Okay, first one rectangular selection. If you want to select the rectangular shape squares means we are using the rectangular selection tool. If you want to select the rectangular shape means the square shape means position means we are using rectangular selection tool. Next one, free from selection is another picture is a irregular part. It means example, one monkey is there, one girl is there, one boy is there. If you want to cut the selected places means we are using the free from selection. Okay, free from selections tool is used to select the irregular part of the picture. If you want to select the only one tree means from the collection of trees means easily you can say cut the using free from selection tool. Okay, next one, select all tool. It is used to select the whole picture. If you want to select the whole picture means we are using select all tool. Okay, next one, cropping a picture. First one, selection tool we already finished. Next one, cropping tool. Cropping tool means if you want to cut the pictures in the selections place. Crop means remove. Okay, and unwanted portions of the pictures. The crop option is used to keep the selection portions of the pictures and delete the remaining part of the picture. Example, in our any functions, videos, any photos you taken means an unwanted person, unknown person is standing there. If you want to cut the person's means easily means we are using the Photoshop, in this like that. We are in the paint, we can easily cut the other areas. If you want to select the correct place. Okay, you can follow the steps given below. Grab the image. How can we grab the image? In the following steps you can follow. It means easily we are grab the image. Okay, here selected cut the other unwanted portions. Okay, using the cropping tool. Okay, click the select button, a drop down menu will appear. Okay, choose the type of selections you want to make. Okay, First one, click the select button. Select button is the top is there, and we already showed select button. Next one, a drop down menu will appear. Drop down menu means one of the pop-up menu, one of the menu will appear. Okay, choose the type of selections you want. The graph tool also having some of the types. The types will be opened. Okay, whatever which type of the graph you can want means you can click that. Move the pointer and selections part of the picture. Just you move it where you want to cut the cutting means just you grab it. Okay, drop it means it will go down or up. Okay, click on the grab button. First once you selected the portions means then you cut it. Okay, next one, a cropped image appears in the new image. Okay, first in this whole picture one home and one tree is also is there. In next picture we are cut the only one trees. Okay, it is the use of cropping picture in the paint tool. Okay, next one, moving and copying the object. Why we are using a moving and copying? If you want to move one object to another places means we can use the moving actions. Copying means we are want more copies, more objects in this like same means we are copying the object. Okay, in MS Paint you can create the multiple copies of object. If you want multiple copies of object means we are using the copying object. Okay, you can also move the objects from one place to another place. The same objects cannot able to keep one side means we can easily move one place to another places. Okay, that is the moving actions will use that. Cut and paste. Cut means we are delete the portions. Okay, paste means wherever we are copy from other picture means you can paste here. Okay, paste means what's it? Paste means in Tamil ஒட்டுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா அதுதான் paste. Okay, to cut the portions of the pictures, cut. The scissor symbol is there, that is a cut symbol. Okay, option is used to the cut image can be pasted into another part of the drawing. Okay, if you cut means next tool we are can control C means cut. Okay, sorry, control V means cut, control P means paste. Okay, it is the shortcut keys. Next we are going to next class we are going to discuss that. Now if you are using the cut means the scissors images is there, like the tool you click means the selected parts will be cut. Okay, the steps to do so are click the selection buttons, a drop down menu will appear. This drop down menu, the right side is there, one drop down menu. Number 1, okay, choose the types of selections you want to make. What is the type you want means select it and then move the pointer to select the part of which you want to cut. Which part you want to cut means just you select that. Number 2 they are mentioned here, that part they want to cut here. Okay, in the clipboard group click cut options, we paste the options. Okay, if you cut here means where you want to paste, easily we can paste the objects also. Okay, these are all the MS Paint basics tools. In more basics tools also we are having. This is the similar first two one we are discussed. First one selection tool, next one graphing tool, third one moving and copying objects. These tools are we discussed now. Okay, if you are having the system your home, just ask your elders or your parents and do the paint work. Okay, this is the interesting one. Last year we are done. I gave some of the homework also to you for draw some of the objects in your notebooks. Now today also I give some homework to you like that only. Okay, you should do that and send to my WhatsApp number. Don't forget that this is the paint. Today we are discuss the paint option. Some of the tools we are discuss selection tool, cropping tool and moving and copying tool. Okay, if you are having system means just you do that. Okay, one time you draw one of the trees or any other home like the picture is there, like that you should draw that, give the colors. Okay, already you know that how to give the colors by using the paint bucket. You are giving the color, if you know means you can give, otherwise we are discussing in the next class. Otherwise when school reopens we are doing the practical lab also. Okay, thank you.